Hello and welcome to Dove in Head First. My name is Lucy and in this video I'm going to show you how I made this reversible hair bonnet. Kindly stay tuned. We're going to start with this fabric. It depends with how large you want your bonnet to be. I have a lot of hair because I have locks. So this will be the outer one, this will be the inner fabric. So I made it 27 by 27. It's a square. You start off by a square, 27.5 by 27.5. So what we're going to do is fold it into 4. We have the corner. So this is where it's open. So we have this corner that has where the fold in the middle, where it meets. So we are cutting towards the open ends, not the closed. So there's the closed 4 ends that are folded. So when we measure it with a tape measure, that is about 14, and that's what I was going for. So we are gonna just have to draw 14. I think I'll start with this side. That's also 14. So then we're gonna cut it. So we have the circular piece. I'm gonna take this one, put it down and basically just trace it around it. So let's see. Okay, I went ahead and cut the strap that's gonna tie it in. It's 66 inches length and the width is about 5 inches. So what I'm going to do here right now is I have 2 pieces of this. It's the right side facing the right, and I have pinned it together. So I'm gonna fold it into two the way I've done. I'm gonna use this side. So fold it into 2, then I'm going to measure three inches here and another 3 inches there. And then I'm gonna join the 2 lines. I think I need another pen because this is not showing. So I'll go with 3.5. 3.5 here, 3.5 there. Then I am gonna curve it. I'm gonna join the 2 lines but in a curved manner like that, and then cut it. The inner fabric is very slippery, so it keeps moving. I don't want it to move. So I'm gonna hold it down like that and cut that line. Then we're just gonna open it so it looks something like this when open. So what I'm gonna do is, what I'm gonna do right now is sew this part over here. Then so I turned it, that's the right side, and the right side, that's what I did last, and I stitched it all the way and then notched it, and then after doing that I pressed it. So it's all pressed, and when we turn it around it looks something like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it and find the middle and notch the middle. So the middle has been notched. This is the fabric that's gonna go around. I folded it and pressed it. So I also need to identify the middle. So just fold it into two, and here is the middle. I'm gonna draw a little mark on the middle, which is here. There we go. So I wanna cut the sides because I want the sides to be tapered. So just put it close to line it and just cut it from here to there. So I have one side folded, so this one will help me when I am top stitching. The other side is not folded. So what I need to do is okay, find the middle that is marked. So right now what I'm going to do is go to my sewing machine and do a gather. So I need to gather these all the way around and gather it to the circumference of my head, which is 25. Okay, so I did some tacking and pulled it. So 19. So once you go all the way around, it will be around 30. So what we're gonna do next is I had notched the middle. I just need to find it. Okay, but I just need to do that and notch it again. So the middle will be somewhere there. So I will take these. I wanna do it on this side first. I marked the middle. Where is the mark? Okay, there's the middle. So what I'm gonna do is find the middle and then sew it all the way to this end and all the way to this end. So what we are doing, the folded part is gonna go to the other side. So I'm gonna open it up and sew it on this side. So with the middle all the way to here and then all the way to here. Then okay, so that one is done. Then we are gonna go to the sides, turn it around, and then sew it from here and then all the way to here. So I'm gonna do it on both sides. So now let's try it on. I made this hair bonnet a few months back. I have been wearing it every night and I really love the fit. Personally, I prefer the colorful side. Although it's reversible, maybe I would have done it different and used two colorful fabrics. Thank you ever so much for watching, and kindly tune in for more videos. If you have any suggestions of something you'd like me to make, kindly leave a suggestion down below. Thank you and have a blessed one.